Good morning, good morning. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello. Anyone? Anyone? All right, so let's just wait one minute because we were supposed to start at 9:15. So let's wait a little bit more, and then we go. And then we go. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know here on Discord. All right, so listen, it's gonna be very important for you guys to listen to the trade plan today because we have the trading plan here, laid out here. And I guess this is from yesterday. Let me see if you guys already have. All right, so the levels are all right. We just need to fix the trading plan here. And just a second. And just let me just make sure the guys have the trading plan. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Let's work. All right. So today we are not kind of like a bullish or bearish. Right now we are neutral, right? So right now, because of the movement that we had on the overnight, because of what's happening with the stocks in Europe and Asia and the pre-market in the United States, we understand that we are kind of neutral, all right? Now listen, it is Friday. So as you guys know, Friday is one of those days that we should be closing at the maximum or the minimum of the day, right? Most of the days, and I think that's me guessing, right? I think that today because we are being through a very, very busy week. You guys remember what happened on Monday in all those days? Like the volatility is crazy. So I believe today is going to be one of those days that we're going to close on the maximum over minimum, but we don't know what's going to be yet, right? We have to wait for the market to open. And what we saw the past few days was some movements like getting all the targets on the top and then all the targets on the bottom on the same day. So we saw the market getting all the way up and then all the way down. Crazy, right? So be careful today, all right? Uh, First of all, listen, we're gonna open at 5,312 right now. We are 5,312. We are right here, a little bit here, right? This is where we are now, this bar right here, okay? As you guys can see, the 5,300 is the main level of the day. So on the trading plan, we are telling you that if we break 5,315, if we break this bar right here, the 15, which would be this bar right here, 15, all right? We should be going to 5,330, 15 points here, right? Okay, now take note of what I'm gonna tell you. Be careful with 5,320. be careful with this level 5,320. Take note of this. If we break 5,315 and you are entering long, protect your trades when we are reaching 5,320. Protect your trades because the last closing was around 5,320. That was the last closing. So we might have a little bounce, a little consolidation. We might have something happening here. So I'm just saying, protect your trades, all right? This, we're gonna take the long when we break the 15, but the 20 is a very dangerous area, right? So just protect your trades, okay, guys? All right, so if we're gonna be bullish, we're gonna know because we will see VIX going down, right? We will see, I hope, because I'm not sure if this thing's working. The programmer said that today like Polygon had some problems and then the market data was kind of breaking. I'm not sure if this is gonna work fine today. I hope so. But anyways, we're gonna let you guys know on Discord. But if we have blue DDF, you see that we have calls above 60%, like it is right now. Or when we open, we're gonna bring the information from yesterday, right? So probably it is calls 60% because this is how we closed it yesterday. So on the first 5-10 minutes, like this information here doesn't matter much. What matters is what movement those lines are doing. So in the open, if you see that calls is losing strength, it's a bad sign, right, for bulls. On the open, if you see that calls is getting strength, that's a good sign, all right? So on the opening or on the first few minutes, understand it like this. If VIX is going down, we have blue DDF, and the calls is getting strength. We break 15, we're gonna check the long position up to the 330, right? Now, probably again, always when we reach a target, we might have some consolidation, we might have a bounce, something like that. But if we break 330 and we are strong on calls, blue DDF getting more and more blue. You guys can see here on the 5,350 how the blue is stronger here. So you see the liquidity is growing above. You see the bars is growing above. By the time that we reach 30, you will be able to see the bars growing above, the liquidity growing above, and then we're gonna go trade towards 350, all right? And if everything's really, really good, like we see that the market's getting stronger and stronger, we're gonna go all the way to 375, all right? To check the trades, you can always use the volume of momentum as a trigger, all right? Okay, and I don't know if you have the bot or not, but here you're gonna also have some buy and sell signals as well. On the QuanticoCap tape reading, you're gonna have some buy-sell signals here. Okay, all right. Now, what if we're gonna be bear? Then you will see VIX going up, right? Because it's always the opposite, VIX going up. You will see that the price will be trading on a red zone here, SPX and triple Q. You will see, like right now we have more calls. You will see puts getting stronger, like puts going up, right? And then if we break 5,300, with everything telling us that we're gonna go down, we might be taking the trade towards 290. If we break 290 on the same conditions, way more puts than calls, red DDF, VIX going up, then we're gonna go after the second target 75 and the third target 250. I think because if it is Friday, I think that's me guessing we're gonna close in one of those extremes here. That's what I think. But it doesn't matter. During the day, we might be going all the way up, all the way down. I don't know what's gonna happen. Nobody knows, right? We just know levels that we should break and next levels that we should go after, right? And the only thing that we have and to tell us, okay, we probably gonna catch the second target is the DDF, and the DDF charts here giving us information that we are getting stronger on this movement. All right, guys. Okay. So I guess that's it. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. We don't have any catalyst, we don't have any news, we don't have nothing today. Today we're gonna trade hoping that the market's going to recover a little bit from all the drops that we had this week, right? So I can't say that we are bullish or bearish because we are neutral, right? But I think that again, we're gonna close on the maximum or on the minimum. I think we're gonna keep going up or we're gonna keep going down. So keep your eyes open on the DDF charts. Keep your eyes open to see how the bars are growing, right? And the trading plan, I guess we did a training yesterday. Someone, Chris, actually asked for a tutorial. It's so simple that I don't even think about doing a tutorial for that, but we did it, right? We did a tutorial showing you guys how to trade the trading plan for a lot of days in the past, right? Giving you as example. So pretty much what we're gonna do is if we break 315 and we are VIX going down, blue, and calls getting straight, we're just gonna check the trade and just check the trade, right? Worst case scenario, we're gonna stop 5 points, 10 points, we're gonna stop. All right, so if you buy 3015 and it doesn't work, we're gonna stop. If we break 300, we're gonna sell. If it doesn't work, we're gonna stop. Like you can't avoid the stops, right? But if you try to avoid the stops, what's gonna happen is you're also gonna avoid the good trades. Okay, the trading plan. Watch the training when you have the opportunity. You will see that most of the times it's gonna work, right? So just manage your stops. If you stop one time and you have the opportunity, enter again, and stop another time, enter again, and then when the trade works, you keep leveraging towards the trade. So guys, just manage your risk and your stop because the trading plan works, all right? Okay, and again, if you want something else as a trigger, okay, we broke 15, but I'm not gonna check the trade yet. I'm gonna wait for those guys to be both red or both green. Wait for it and go, right? Like create your own system and go. For me, the system is super simple. If we break 15, we are gonna check the trade. If that goes back, I'm gonna stop. If we break again, I'm gonna check the trade again. If it goes back, I'm gonna stop. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna close the day with the stop. Best case scenario, I'm gonna check the trade from 15 to 30 and close my Friday very, very happy. All right? Okay, guys. So we keep talking on Discord. You guys have an amazing day, and I see you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.